Welcome! Today I'm going to cook hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. That includes soft-boiled, medium-boiled, and hard-boiled eggs all in the air fryer at the same time. Let's get started. First, I'll preheat the air fryer at 280 degrees for 3 minutes. Okay, our air fryer has preheated for 3 minutes at 280 degrees. Now I'm going to place 3 eggs in the air fryer. These are grade A large eggs. See if you can see that. There we go. All right, we've got 3 eggs. There we go. And again, we're cooking this at 280 degrees. I'm going to start a timer, and we're going to take the first egg out at 11 minutes. And that's going to be our soft-boiled egg. Okay, it's been 11 minutes. We're going to pull out our first egg. That's going to be our soft-boiled egg. Here we go. I'm going to put those back in and let them continue to cook. I'm just placing this in the ice bath. And we're going to let the next egg cook for an additional 2 minutes, so it'll be a 13-minute egg. And this first egg that I took out of the air fryer, I'm going to dry it off just a little bit. It's had time to cool just a bit in the ice water, and I'm going to write on it 11 minutes. So we don't get it mixed up with our other eggs. So there's an 11 on each side. There we go. And I'm going to place it back in the ice water. Okay, we're at 13 minutes now on our next egg. I'm going to pull it out and place it in the ice bath. There we go. This is our 13-minute egg cooked in the air fryer. And I'm going to place it back in the ice water. Okay, our 15-minute egg is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And place it in the ice bath. And this is our 15-minute egg. Oops, there we go. And I'll place that in the ice bath also. These have had a chance to cool in the ice bath. Let's go ahead and crack them open. Here's our 11-minute egg. And sometimes I'll find it easier to get under that membrane if we start at the top. Sometimes there's an air pocket there. Here we go. I'm going to rinse it under the sink. Okay, I rinsed it under the sink just a bit. Alright, we'll slice this one open and see how it looks. This is our 11-minute egg in the air fryer. Oh, that looks beautiful. So that's our 11-minute egg. And it's very soft. Now we'll get our 13-minute egg and we'll see how it did. Here's our 13-minute egg. And this should be our medium boiled egg. Start at the top. That's coming right off. All right. That one did much better. A little bit of that membrane there. Okay, I'm going to rinse it under the sink. All right. to slice this 13-minute egg. Gotta be careful, slippery. Alright, that's our medium boiled egg. Looks good, and it is medium boiled. And we have one more to check, and this is our 15-minute egg. Here we go, 15 minutes in the air fryer. Again, I'm going to start at the top. There's usually an air pocket there, and it helps us get under the membrane. We don't want these to overcook, then you get that green tinge around the yolk. So we definitely want to avoid that. It's alright, I'm going to rinse this under the sink again. Okay, here's our 15-minute egg. And I'm going to take it like this, don't want to cut my finger. And that's our hard-boiled egg. Get them lined up again. Soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs all in the air fryer all at the same time. Cooked for 11, 13, and 15 minutes at 280 degrees. This is a really easy way to boil eggs with virtually no cleanup. For our next recipe, we're cooking hamburgers in the air fryer. Okay, we're going to add a few tasty ingredients. So first we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon, to our meat. Next, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a fourth of a teaspoon of seasoning salt, and just a touch of black pepper. Yes, my hands are clean. I'm just going to press these down, see if I can make them as uniform as possible. And three patties. Put a little indent in there. I understand that it helps them cook better. So I'm going to try it. Now we'll preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 3 minutes. Okay, our air fryer has preheated for 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and add our hamburger patties in. That's a nice sizzle. Carefully placed in. Alright. And we're going to cook these at 400 degrees for 9 minutes. We'll check them with our thermometer a little later. Okay, our timer just went off. The burgers have been cooking for 9 minutes. I'm going to check the internal temperature when they're juicy too. Looks like we're hovering around 140. I'm going to put these back in for about another 3 minutes. Okay, our timer just went off. Let's check our internal temperature. We're looking for a temperature of 160 degrees. 159. 160, we're right there. And I'm going to check this one also. Let's see where we're at. Yep. What are we doing on this one? Yep, they're all three done. Let's go ahead and take them out. Oh my goodness, they're so juicy. If you learned something from this video, be sure and hit that thumbs up Be sure and subscribe and share with your friends. I really appreciate it. There we are. They are beautiful. And they're still sizzling. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open and see how it looks. That is beautiful. These hamburgers turned out juicy and delicious. Let's go to our third recipe. Today I'm going to cook fish in the air fryer. I like to use this tilapia skinless, boneless, individually wrapped fish fillets. And we're going to get started right now. Here's what they look like. And I'm simply going to put them in water to thaw. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going to put 2 in. And then we'll get to the next section of our video. Here are the spices I'll be using today. Some salt, some paprika, some garlic powder, and just a touch of this red pepper, just to give it a little tiny kick. Okay, it's been just over 10 minutes. I'm going to take these fillets out of the water. I'm going to cut them out of their packages, and I'm going to lay them on this paper towel so we can get them dried off. Here's our first fillet. I'm going to go ahead and lay it on this paper towel. Here we go. Okay, here's our second. There we go. And now we'll want to take another paper towel and pat these dry. Okay, while we're prepping our tilapia, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the air fryer to 400 degrees. Even though most manufacturers don't recommend preheating, I do like to preheat for just a couple of minutes. First, I'm going to spray our fish with this olive oil cooking spray. And I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to each. Some paprika. This gives it some good coloring too. Some garlic powder. And just a touch of this red pepper. One thing I almost forgot is regular black pepper, and I'm almost out. Okay, now I'm going to turn these over, put them on this other plate. And we need to spray this side with our olive oil. Again, we want to add our salt, our paprika, next is our garlic powder, just a touch of red pepper, and now of course our black pepper. Okay, now we'll place our tilapia fillets in the air fryer. Like this. Here's our other one. Now we'll let these cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, the tilapia fish fillets have cooked in the air fryer for about 7 minutes. We're going to check the internal temperature according to USDA.gov. It should be a minimum of 145 degrees. Oh yeah, we're in the 160s on that one or so. Same for this one. Let's go ahead and take these out. You'll want to use a spatula, as these will fall apart so easily. And those just look delicious. That paprika just gives them a beautiful color. They are tender and juicy. And I'm going to give it a quick taste. That's hot. That's hot, but it sure is delicious. See all 3 recipes in the description below. Cheers!